How to check the SSD or HDD speed in Windows 10 or 11 with CMD. Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to check the speed of your SSD or hard disk on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Currently, I have one SSD with operating system installed. So to begin, go to your Windows search and type CMD and then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator to ensure the necessary permissions. Once the command prompt is open, enter the following command. And to check the speed of your hard disk or SSD, WinSAT hard drive C for the SSD or WinSAT drive D for the hard disk. After running the command, you'll receive a quick assessment of the speed. For my SSD, I obtained a sequential read speed of 2568.08 MB and a write speed of 1182.91 MB. Keep in mind that the speed may be different based on the type of the SSD you're using. If you're into gaming, it's advisable to go for an NVMe SSD, which can provide speeds exceeding 3000 or 4000 MB. Upon completion, you can find the hard disk sequential read speed and the write speed too. The considerable difference between the hard disk and SSD speed highlights the advantage of using an SSD over a hard disk. This is how you can check your SSD or HDD speed in Windows 10 or 11. So if you found the video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video for more related content in the future. Take care and bye-bye.